This used to be my Sunday night, and it could be your Sunday night right now. 15 tabs open, switching between Instagram and my notes app and whatever document I've got open, and an AI tool to format things before I put it into the document in order to write my newsletter. Spending time collecting information and formatting it, and spending my Sunday evenings realizing at 9 p.m. I forgot to check if things have been cancelled that I've added to the document earlier in the week. Stressing out that I had to do all of this work, tired, and not even sure if there was something big happening that I'd ended up missing mentioning because I've been so busy with what I had already been doing. But then I made a very, very simple shift that replaced all of that entirely on a Sunday. No checking through Instagram and local directories and websites. No needing to put them individually into some AI tool and format them. No need to go through my notes tab for everything I'd grabbed through the week. No document that I needed to keep updating in order to write my newsletter. I got the same result, which is a finished newsletter ready to publish, but I now get that in minutes instead of hours. The solution is using a very, very simple tool. This is a tool that I built with Troy that solves this problem. When you use FluxLocal, all the events for your area are in one place. The tool does the researching, the tool does the formatting. It automatically checks what is going on that week for you. And what that means is if you run this tool on a Sunday night, if you publish on a Monday or a Wednesday night, if you publish on a Thursday, then it is able to find what's going on, put it together into a newsletter that is formatted, ready to go. You become a very light touch editor and publisher rather than having to do all the research and curation. You can literally take the newsletter, put it into whatever tool you're using, such as Beehive, and light editing, add your ads and sponsors, and you're done in minutes. Same result, you end up with a local newsletter, but a completely different evening. You're talking about a 10-minute job to go from sitting down at your computer with a cup of tea or coffee to your newsletter scheduled, instead of being hours. And you're talking about it being a job you do once, not something you've got to build up through the week and then put together and publish. The rest of your week, you can spend it 9 to 5 and do this as a side hustle. You can spend it with your family. You can spend it on sales and marketing and getting more advertisers. It's really up to you. We built this to solve a problem we were having, and now it's available for you to use. And all you have to do is click the first link in the description.